Well, the Heart of Gold Sickle Cell Foundation is partnering with the Red Cross to encourage African Americans and people of color to come out and donate blood. Our first blood drive is June 11th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the McLean Community Center. If you can't make the June 11th blood drive, we're going to have several throughout the year. Just please come out and help us close the sickle cell gap. Make sure that you go to redcrossblood.org and enter the sponsor word Heart of Gold. It's important for everyone to come out and donate blood, but we really want to encourage African Americans and people of color to come out. Patients with sickle cell disease rely on blood transfusion to manage it, and you have to have a close ethnic match in order to avoid complications. The incentives we're offering to get people to come out to the blood drives are sickle cell trait testing. We have $10 Amazon gift cards, and we're also offering Red Cross t-shirts. The sickle cell trait testing is very important because you can go your whole life with a sickle cell trait and feel absolutely fine. It's only when two adults that carry the trait have a child together that you increase the chance for that child to be born with sickle cell disease. To register for the event, go to redcrossblood.org and enter the sponsor word Heart of Gold, or they can call any of the numbers on the screen.